This is how you use your dermaroller on your edges with Minoxidil. You're gonna take your dermaroller, clean it with alcohol. Just gonna spray it on here, shake it. I'm gonna let that rest for a second. I'm just gonna clean my hairline with some witch hazel. And this is just because I'm poking needles in my head. Best practice is just clean it with alcohol. Don't have alcohol, clean with hand sanitizer, soap, whatever you have. Now that my hairline is clean, I'm going to use my dermaroller. Mine is a 0.25. And we're just going to roll it on our hairline for just a couple seconds. And then I'll be using the Minoxidil after. So I like to roll mine where there is the minimal amount of hair. I don't need to roll it in the front of my hairline. Just in these areas back here. And I'm gonna rub it in different directions. You see me rubbing it up and down. And then I'm gonna rub it side to side. And then I rub it diagonal, and that's just how I go around my whole head. Don't do it hard. I'm just rubbing it on there. It feels like someone is just scratching you. It's not painful at all. The pain level is going to be determined by the size needle that you get. If you have a bigger needle, you may experience a little bit more discomfort, but it just feels like somebody's scratching you. After I do this for a little while, my hairline tends to get red. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's turning a little bit pink back there. So if it's turning a little pink or a little red, that means that is working. Focus on those areas that I feel like they struggle a little bit more, and that's what's been working for me. Now that I'm done derma rolling my head, I would consider it dirty. So I'll take some soap, I put some soap on it, right, and then I'll rub it around, rinse it off. Still spray it with some alcohol after I'm finished with it. I'm gonna just put it back in the case and let it just dry in the case. Go ahead and apply my Minoxidil. Squeeze it, and it's gonna fill up to the line. I can feel the tingling sensation from me using the dermaroller still taking effect. So in my mind, I already know that when I put this on my head, it's gonna tingle. I'm gonna be applying it back here, adding it in. I'm not necessarily rubbing it when I use the dermaroller. I'm just patting it. It's not burning. It's not tingling. Previously, when I've done this before, I had burning and tingling after using the dermaroller and using the Minoxidil immediately after. But this time, it's okay. I don't feel any burning. Now, all I want to do is just rub it in. Everyone has a different way of using it. You can also do this same method using a derma stamp. I've heard that the derma stamp works really, really well. That's it, guys. That's how you use a derma roller with the Minoxidil. I hope this video was helpful, and talk to you later.